open the TIA Portal 19 application to begin the lab, and open the device properties and check whether the clock enable function is activated. Check all PLC tags to ensure that every input sensor and output device is correctly defined and included in the operation. Go to the main OB and verify that all function blocks and instructions are arranged correctly according to the required sequence. Proceed to load the program into the PLC on the display. Confirm that TIA Portal 19 is successfully connected to the PLC. Tick the Flash PLC option and observe the PLC flashing process to ensure the configuration in TIA Portal 19 match the actual PLC. Then click Load and wait until the process is complete. Click on Monitoring to observe the system operation and ensure that the process is running smoothly and functioning correctly. First, the push button start at input I0.0 and push button stop at input I0.1 are used to control the entire system. When the PB start is pressed at the PLC toggle 0, the system operation will turn on. For the sorting operation in network 1, when toggle 2 is activated input I0.2 for the ball sensor, the system will proceed to the next operation in network 2. Timer T000 will start running, and once the timer finish, it will activate contact T004 in network 3. In network 4, the slider needs to be moved to open contact M3.3, which represents the white ball. This will also activate timer T001. If the slider is moved further, it will open contact M3.4, which represents the orange ball, and this will activate timer T002. In network 5, once timer T001 is activated, it will open contact T001 and turn on the bottom cylinder, which functions as the color sensor. In network 6, after the bottom cylinder contact is open, timer T004 will also be activated. Finally, in network 7, when contact T002 is open, it will activate the pusher. For the analog input operation in network 1, after the system is turned on, the system will wait for timer T000 from the sorting operation network 3 to be activated. Next, the slider should be moved slowly trigger the analog ball sensor, which will open the contact for the white ball. In network 3, the process is similar. The slider needs to be moved slightly further to activate the analog ball sensor for the orange ball, which will open the corresponding contact. For the next operation, which is the white ball counter, in network 1, press toggle 3 white ball sensor at PLC input I0.3 to add 1 count for a white ball. In network 2, press toggle 4 to subtract 3 white balls from the counter. The same concept applies to the orange ball counter operation, but using different toggles. Toggle 5 is used to add 1 orange ball, while toggle 6 is used to subtract 3 orange ball. Additionally, both counter operations have a reset function. The reset button is toggle 7 on the portal. For whiteboard indicator, first refer to the RGB light indication on the whiteboard. The voltage range are defined as follows: green 7 to 10 volt, yellow 3 to 7 volt, and red 0 to 3 volts. In network 1, the range for the green indicator is set from 0 to 16. When the value is within this range, the display shows a voltage of approximately 7.75 volt, indicating the green light is active. In network 2, the range for the yellow indicator is set from 61 to 99. When the white ball count is increased by pressing the toggle to around 85, the display shows a voltage of approximately 3.51 volt, indicating the yellow light is active. In network 3, the range for the red indicator is set at 100. When the count reaches 100 volts, the red light will flash and the display voltage drop to 0 volt, indicating the red warning condition. For orange ball indicator operation, display 2 show a voltage of approximately 87.3 volt, indicating the green light is active. When the toggle is pressed until the value reaches around 65, display 2 show a voltage of 4.18 volt, indicating the yellow light is active. Finally, when the value reaches 100 in network 3, display 2 show a voltage of approximately 0.62 volt, indicating the red warning condition. For the final operation, which is the alarm system, when the white ball counter reaches 100 by pressing toggle 3 at PLC input I0.3, the alarm system will be activated. This is indicated by the red light on the top of the PLC flashing. The same operation applies to the orange ball counter. When toggle 5 PLC input I0.5 is pressed until the count reach 100, the alarm system will also be activated and the red light on top of the PLC will flash. Finally, to stop the system operation, press the push button stop PB start at input I0.1. Additionally, we switch off toggle 1 at the PLC to fully shut down the system.